Today we are talking about the October Roundtable, talking what's new on Amazon. So today's conversation is going to be centered around an update that has been rolled out to customer engagement. So pretty much what we have been doing is we have been able to reach out to what they call brand followers. So what this means is customers that are following your storefront, you guys have been able to message them. Now, there might be some of you guys listening in or some of you here on the call, that maybe you didn't have access just yet to customer engagements, which is a possibility. And if that's the case, the only thing you really can do is continue to do Amazon posts. So that way people have the opportunity to follow your brand. But for those of you guys that have been using customer engagements and you have been, doing customer engagements and rolling them out, you have been reaching out to what they call brand followers. So this is the type of customer engagement that you would be using if you haven't gotten access to the other ones, because the other ones do have some different requirements, which we're going to talk about today. So one of the additions is called recent customers. Now, what this is they most recently purchased 20% of brand customers in the last 12 months. So these customers have purchased from you recently is the high level way of saying it. But what's great about this is it's not just people that are liking your storefront, because one thing a lot of you guys always bring up to me is, I don't have a lot of followers and I didn't even know what that was, or whatever it might be. So what's great about this is, from our understanding, you should be able to reach out to past customers that have purchased from you recently. Now, the other thing is high spend customers is another category that they're rolling out. So this is the highest spending 25% of brand customers in the past 20 months. These customers spend the most on your brand's product. So for those of you guys that have repeat purchase products, you have people that are coming back every single month to purchase, this is a really good one for you guys, because realistically what you're going to be able to do is email them directly from Amazon customer engagements, reaching out to them that way. So that's another opportunity that is coming about. And then also just repeat customers. So these are customers that have purchased from you more than once in the last 12 months. So in a way, high spend customers and repeat customers most likely are the most similar, but just really great opportunities to be reaching out to your customers outside of those brand followers. So you can see right here, the brand that I took the screenshot from, they are not currently eligible for these, which is something I'm seeing pretty consistently. I would say that customer engagements, that was rolled out probably at the start of October. So a lot of brands, when they come in, they're seeing that high spend customers, repeat customers, and recent customers have more of a grayed out box. So if you're seeing that, it just means that you're not eligible just yet. But here is that eligibility and what would make you eligible. So send 10 or more customer engagement campaigns with at least 1,000 total emails sent over the last 10 campaigns. So for those of you guys that might not have a high follower count, this is going to be challenging to get to. So my recommendation would be you have to be increasing that follower count. And in order to do that, it's all about Amazon posts. That's really the answer there, because it gets you in front of more people who can then follow your brand. Now, the other requirement is you have to have an average opt to click rate less than opt out to click rate less than 1% over the last 10 customer engagements. What I've seen across different accounts, that is not that hard to accomplish. Very rarely am I seeing opt-outs in this situation. So honestly, if you guys are able to meet that requirement of set 10 or more customer engagements with at least 1,000 total emails sent over the last 10 campaigns, then you should be good to go there. So my recommendation, in order to get some eligibility on these, is pick up the consistency on customer engagement. So I would recommend that you guys are sending out customer engagements at least twice a month. More so if you have more products specifically, you could probably get away with once a week. So 4 campaigns per month. So that right there will get you in line with getting 10 customer engagements sent out roughly 2.5 months. So if you are in that situation where you have multiple products that are eligible, that is my recommendation, is try to get to this 10 so that hopefully you can get to the 1,000 total emails. And then from there, you should have these different types of audiences available at your disposal. Again, I'm not worried about the opt-out rate. Really, realistically, there isn't a ton you guys can do about opt-out rates just because you can't customize messaging, you can't really do anything. So I really wouldn't worry about opt-out rates. I would be more so worried about making sure you're sending enough customer engagements to hit these different thresholds we're talking about today. So we're really excited about this opportunity. I think it just shows that there's more to come with Amazon. The fact that they are allowing brands to be reaching out to customers is always a really big deal. Obviously, this is all going to be templated emails, but end of the day, it's something that we didn't originally have at our disposal. So highly recommend that you guys continue to send customer engagements. For those of you not eligible customer engagements, Amazon posts the answer. And then from there, get to that eligibility, get to sending out those 10, get to 1,000 emails sent. So that way, you're able to take advantage of these different audiences. Now, as far as customer engagements goes, that's all I have for today. Definitely be checking these out, checking your eligibility at least every couple weeks, just so you can take full advantage of the opportunity.